Hello and welcome to this video. This is the fourth episode of the Scripting Beginner series. In this episode, you will be learning how to do if statements and the different script variants, the different types of scripts. Alright. So, hit the plus again on Script Service. Search script and you can see three different types of script. Alright. Script. This script is a server-side script. What this basically means is it runs on the server, alright, not on your computer. Local script runs on the client. The client is your computer. Module script is like you store stuff in there, okay? You store values, settings, whatever. It can be accessed by local and server-side scripts depending on its location. And local scripts and scripts might not work depending on where it's located at. If I put a local script into a workspace, it won't work. Simple. Alright. So how does it do? We the local script here instead of script service, it won't work. We put it into Rebel 4 first, it will work. But if we change, for example, base plate color, only you will see that, no other player will see that. And how you can change stuff via the client on other computers too, we'll be going over that too. That's renamed filtering enabled. Alright, now going back to the script. As you can see, we have this one variable left we didn't use. Enter. Not variable and what this basically means is if variable 1 is false, then if I just do if variable 1, it just checks if variable 1 is true, then now it's false. So let's try this. Alright, we'll check if it's true and then it will execute this code. But what if it isn't true? We had a else statement. Else, it will check the other variable, the other choices. Basically, if the variable is not true, then this will be executed. Let's print variable 1 is not true. Alright, and then there is one more. Let's add another if statement. If variable 1 equals true, you can also do it like this. And there's two things to be noted here. There's an and an or. And variable 3 equals 5. Then make sure to put two of those. But what if we set variable 3 to 4? Then this will execute. But what if we want another check? Else if variable 3 equals 3, then another else statement. Let's do a warning here. On variable 3 is set to 3. But you see, variable 3 is 4. So how do we change the variable? Variable 3 equals 3 or minus equals 1. I will just do its own value for -1. Alright. Now variable free is free. So we'll print variable free is set to free. Sends a yellow print, a warning. We did 1. What if variable free is 4? Actually 3. This. And it is set to true. We do and variable 1. This checks if this isn't true, okay, this statement, then we'll go over to this. Else variable 3. Alright, we got that here, but variable 1 is also true. Let's set it to false. But this isn't true, so bam, doesn't work. It will go to the next one. Else, since those didn't work, it will 100% do this. Variable 1 is not true. Actually, it's true. No other statements were successful. Alright. With this video, I hope you liked it, and if you did, I'd be happy if you subscribe and share this video with your friends. See ya and have a good day.